Guys, thanks a lot for watching my last video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please try and do so. I am begging you, and please click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. I shouldn't be smiling because like nothing is funny. The whole world is locked down because of this corona. Can you imagine? There is approximately, according to what I'm seeing here, 318,564 cases around the world and 13,671 deaths because of this deadly virus, guys. It's really heartbreaking. It's really serious. Around the whole world has gone into dawn. The whole place is silent. People are worrying, and it's so heartbreaking. We are not even in school. It's serious. Can you imagine in my country, Liberia, right now, there are some regulations that has been put into place. We are not going to school. We are not going to service anymore. We are not going to the markets. We are not attending our friends' wedding, their anniversary and stuff like that, party. And when I think about it, tears, because it's so pathetic. We've been out of school for about 2 weeks now. This thing is very serious. We have to join together as one. This is not about tribe anymore. This is not about color. This is not about country. This is about us, the human race, coming together and fighting against this deadly virus. So guys, according to the World Health Organization, we are urged. They gave us some measures, some preventive measures that we always need to put in place. That you should wash your hands. If possible, every minute you have to wash your hands. If it's not possible that you carry water alone, you should always carry your sanitizer. So guys, at least in the washing hands, it's not just like this. At least you should be able to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you can't use your sanitizer by alcohol, you can use that too. It's very effective because this thing, we don't want for it to intensify. So guys, this thing is really serious. It's an SOS call, and we all need to take it very, very seriously. And please stay away from crowded areas. If you notice that you are having fever, cold, or any symptom of the coronavirus, stay away from your family, quarantine yourself. And if you notice that you're having any headache, fever, cold that is intensifying, make sure you reach out to your health practitioner because this thing is really, really serious, guys. And always try to stay away from people who are sick. If you really want to talk to someone, at least, because this thing is really serious, guys, you should at least stay away 5 to 6 feet away from people. And if you don't have anything important to do, stay at home. This is not a time to be walking about, to be going to unnecessary areas. Stay away from. This is what the government has put measures into place to close down schools, churches, and so many things. Even regulate people that when you go into the supermarket, people will enter 10 persons at a time, discouraging people so that they can be able to stay home. Stay home for this 1 or 2 months. It won't change your name. We have to join hands together and save this world because this world is all we have. So guys, I hope that this SOS call message, you will take it seriously and share this video so that it can go viral, so that we can be able to eliminate this coronavirus very, very, very soon. I love you guys, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please, I am begging you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification some help so that you can be notified the next time I upload the video of you guys. And stay safe.
In nation Liberia, the country is galvanizing all efforts to institute measures for the global healthcare nightmare, the coronavirus outbreak known as COVID-19. The Liberian Airport Authority, in collaboration with the National Public Health Institute of Liberia, NPHIL, and the Ministry of Health, MOH, has instituted measures to ensure that people accessing Liberia main international airports are screened for symptoms related to the novel coronavirus.
We have mandatory washing of hands for both the inbound and outbound of our terminal, and that is not just limited to passengers. It also include our workers, anyone flying the terminal, people around. By the time you come in, you have to make sure you wash your hands before getting in there. That is the first measure we put in place.
No, now I'm confident. With this setup, there's absolutely no way Corona can pass here.
I think our preparedness is based on the fact that we've experienced Ebola, and of course, nobody needs to teach us, So I'm impressed with the Ministry of Health, NPHIL, and Liberian collaboratively willingness to ensure that this disease doesn't infiltrate in our territory.
I'm just impressed with what I'm seeing in Liberia now. I was worried when I heard of the coronavirus. Looking at what we suffered during Ebola, we were not very much prepared. So my worry has been how we prepare. So I'm actually surprised with what I'm seeing. I think it's something that impressed us, we the travelers, and those that are even thinking about coming and worrying about what they are going to meet and what they are going to see.
I've just come in and I'm very impressed with what I saw. The testing at the beginning and the watching of hands.
The process of going through the temperature check, when we found out that you need to be referred, we have a container that we prepare. Both Dr. Fala and I, we prepare air-conditioned for reference, and we have the ambulances and others, our health workers who are on the standby, who are also willing to receive those who will be checked, and right from there, they are taken to a place where later on they are released. And measure is put in place here, and I mean, we do it without any form of harassment, without any form of intimidation. The same way you come to the country when there was no coronavirus, it's the same way we carry out our normal routine. There is no need of being afraid.
And we took one step further. We introduced a form of quarantine that we call precautionary observation. Since the 2nd of February, all those coming from country with high and widespread transmission are taken from the airport to a place we call our precautionary observation center. We have had 150 persons go through that we've been monitoring. After 14 days, they are discharged.